In today's digital age, the world of writing has expanded beyond traditional print media. Online writing gigs offer a plethora of opportunities for writers to showcase their skills and earn a living from the comfort of their homes. Whether you are a beginner writer looking to kickstart your career, an experienced professional seeking new avenues, or a writer specializing in a specific niche, this video will provide you with effective strategies to maximize your earnings through online writing gigs. We will explore various types of online writing opportunities, including freelance platforms, content mills, and other avenues. Additionally, we will delve into proven methods such as freelance copywriting, content creation, blogging, and a combination of these writing gigs. Effective strategies for maximizing earnings. 1. Freelance copywriting. Freelance copywriting is a highly sought-after skill in the online writing world. To maximize your earnings in this area, consider the following strategies. A. Niche specialization. Find a specific niche or industry where you can demonstrate expertise. This will make you a valuable asset to clients seeking writers with in-depth knowledge and understanding. B. Building a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best copywriting samples. This will help you attract high-paying clients and differentiate yourself from competitors. C. Networking. Connect with potential clients, agencies, and other writers in your niche. Building relationships and establishing a strong network can lead to lucrative opportunities and referrals. 2. Content creation. Content creation is a broad category that includes writing articles, blog posts, social media content, and more. To maximize your earnings in content creation, consider the following strategies. A. Research popular topics. Identify trending topics and evergreen subjects that attract a wide audience. Writing about popular subjects can increase the chances of your content being shared and generate more income through views or sponsored content. B. SEO optimization. Learn the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, to enhance the visibility of your content. By incorporating relevant keywords and optimizing your writing for search engines, you can attract more organic traffic and potentially earn higher rates. C. Guest blogging. Reach out to reputable blogs and websites in your niche and offer to write guest posts. This allows you to expand your reach, gain exposure, and establish yourself as an authority in your field, leading to higher paying opportunities. 3. Blogging. Blogging offers a unique avenue for writers to express their creativity, share their knowledge, and monetize their content. To maximize your earnings as a blogger, consider the following strategies. A. Building an engaged audience. Focus on creating quality content that resonates with your target audience. Engage with your readers through comments, social media, and email newsletters to build a loyal following. B. Monetization channels. Explore various monetization channels such as display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Diversifying your income streams can significantly increase your earnings. C. Collaboration and partnerships. Collaborate with other bloggers, influencers, or brands in your niche. By leveraging each other's audiences and expertise, you can reach a wider audience and attract more opportunities for monetization. In the world of online writing gigs, there are numerous strategies you can employ to maximize your earnings. By focusing on freelance copywriting, content creation, blogging, or a combination of these writing gigs, you can establish yourself as a successful online writer. Remember to specialize in a niche, build a strong portfolio, network with industry professionals, research popular topics, optimize your content for search engines, engage with your audience, and explore different monetization channels. By implementing these effective strategies, you will evoke a sense of inspiration in your writing journey while maximizing your earnings through online writing gigs.